I'm back with another video lesson on syllables. So in my previous video lesson on syllables, I talked about how to break a word into syllables. And I told you that you need to underline the vowel sound and then we need to split. So today I'm going to tell you two important things that you need to remember while breaking a word into syllables. So the first thing is, what you need to remember is when you come across a vowel theme, right? A vowel theme is when there's two or more vowels together make one vowel sound. That's a vowel theme. So if you come across a vowel theme, we need to remember that a vowel theme should not be split, right? So what you need to remember is a vowel theme should not be split. So we should not split or break the vowel theme. For example, if we have a word like, for example, curtain. So if you come across this word, curtain, so if you remember my previous video lesson, you remember that I told you we have to underline all the vowel sound. But here I'm going to tell you, because A and I, see, they're vowels, right? But what you need to remember is you need to identify this as a vowel theme, because A and I together makes one vowel sound. The first vowel makes is its sound, A-I. So you will find that whenever you have two vowels together, the first vowel produces its sound. So curtain, curtain, right? So we should not split this, right? We will consider this as one vowel sound. So we will split it, curtain. Okay, it's not curtain. Okay, it's curtain, right? Then we have, if we have the word like beat, okay, so you will find E as well as A, but we will not underline E and A separately, and we will not split it like this. We will not do this. Rather, what we will do is we will keep it together, E and A, since this is a vowel theme and it produces the first vowel sound, beat, beat. So this is a one syllable word, right? And one more thing you need to remember is when you come across a word that ends in E, okay, E is silent, right? So what we need to remember is we will not underline the E when it comes at the end of a word, okay? So do not underline with E when it comes at the end of a word. Okay. So usually we underline the vowel sound and then we split. Okay, but when E comes at the end of a word, we will not underline it because it is silent. Okay. So example, if we have the word like manage. So usually we underline this, and thinking E is also a vowel. So, but what we need to remember, we will not underline E. So manage, manage. E is silent, right? Manage. In the same way, we have the word escape. So what we do is we underline this sound, this, but we will not underline E since it is at the end of the word and it is silent, right? We will not underline this. So it's two syllable word, escape, escape. So E is silent, and the silent E here changes the vowel sound. Okay, usually if E is not there, this becomes cap. Okay, escape. So when you add the silent E, the vowel sound changes, escape. So these are two things that you need to remember when you break a word into syllable. So I'll talk more about syllables in my next video lesson. Until then, take care. Thank you.